everybody is doing wonderful.
I am.
I know I am. But if you're new here, I am Nuni
And I'm Nasteha.
And we are the Yusufs. So we are sisters who create content based on fashion, lifestyle, those type of stuff. So if you are into that, definitely stick around and subscribe and join the sisterhood or whatever. But if you're an original sweetie, thank you so much for clicking on our video and joining us once again.
Welcome back.
And in today's video, it's a super exciting one.
It is.
Tell us why.
Okay. Don't mind if I do. So honestly, it's a new year. So obviously you all know there is a whole bunch of things that we are coveting this year and that we are looking forward to, getting.
New year, new stuff.
New year, new things. Anyway,
Yeah,
so we want to start with handbags. So in this video, we will be sharing bags that we are loving currently on the internet, bags that we have on our wish list, and also 2 brand new bags that we just got from Farfetch.
It's an unboxing, y'all.
Surprise! So this video is in partnership with Farfetch, and as you guys know, we love shopping there for obvious reasons because we love luxury. And Farfetch allows you to shop all over the world without setting a foot on an airplane, honey. So that is the #1 place if you want to shop luxury goods.
Yeah, so we're super excited to share with you guys what we picked up from Farfetch, and we're super excited to share a coupon code with you guys. You can get 10% off with our coupon code.
Yes.
I mean, who doesn't like saving a coin or
I
two?
definitely like saving a coin or two.
Yeah, so if you like anything that you see in this video, definitely we will link it down below in the description box. And our coupon code, I believe, is FF10 Yusufs.
Yep.
We'll, I guess,
Put it on the screen and the description so you guys don't miss it.
Yes, enough with rambling. Let's get right into it. Do you want to go first, or should I?
Don't mind if I do. I'm so excited about this bag. I feel like this color is first of all, I hate blue, but this is literally the only blue I have ever worn, and I love it so much. And on top of that, this specific bag has a special place in my heart, and I've always loved it. So it all made sense to me when I saw it in this color. Hold on. So the bag that we are talking about,
This is not a true unboxing, by the way. Because we've already rummaged through it all, ripped the box, and just yelled and screamed of excitement about the bags already.
like we do about everything else.
Sorry, so we patched it up together as best as we could to just kind of give you guys a visual of an unboxing, but it's not a true one. So
Thanks.
yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
Okay, so here's the bag. It is a Valentino bag, and I am obsessed with mini bags. So this specific bag style
It is so cute.
literally my favorite bag from Valentino, and I'm so excited to have gotten it in this color. And it is available at Farfetch, like we mentioned.
It's
they
like
have
a
it,
periwinkle.
yeah,
blue.
and they have it in so many beautiful colors, y'all. I'm just like, should I get more?
No, I think this is enough.
This is
Plus the
enough?
belt.
Plus, and
It's
I
a
have
bud.
and I have a
And the
clear
see-through
one. I have a
one.
clear
Yeah,
version.
yeah.
So I don't know. I just might at some point. But here it is, and she is gorgeous.
And just a quick style tip, if you're scared of color, definitely try it out in tiny mini bags or with small
Yes.
accessories, because I find that that's easier to style
Yeah.
your neutrals and things that you're comfortable with.
I think another tip is if you're scared of color, try wearing it monochromatically or even in the same color family.
Yes.
Just it's the easiest way to wear that specific color if you're scared of it.
It's totally first lady / vice president vibes right now.
Yes.
The whole monochromatic vibe.
The inauguration vibe.
Yes.
Michelle.
All right, let's get to
Michelle.
mine. Are you guys
Okay.
so excited about my bag?
I'm excited.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
So my bag also came in just a regular cardboard box. They were shipped to us. Kind of bummed that I didn't get
A Prada box?
a box, yeah, because I like keeping the boxes in original packaging. But that's okay. And I also unboxed it already because I was super excited. But I ended up getting a Prada backpack.
So cute.
So excited about this because I've wanted it for a really long time, especially I love that whole 90s model off-duty look. I feel like every supermodel in the 90s had one of these cute little mini Prada backpacks.
Yeah.
And they would just
I have one too.
Yeah, and they would just
supermodel.
and I feel like they would just look so like effortlessly chic.
Mm-hmm.
And I just kind of want to channel that.
I love that for you,
Like,
sweetie.
Hi.
That's a cute backpack.
As you can see, I have not worn it yet. It still has like this, like the packaging and like sticker tapes, all of that.
Mhm.
But I do plan on wearing it today.
Yep.
And I
She
love
sure
that.
is.
I love that. It's like just such a classic Prada silhouette.
The nylon,
The
I'm
nylon, yep.
obsessed. Like, you know, I
Absolutely.
love the shoes. I want a puffer. I want the bucket hat.
I even want like the dress with the buckle.
Yes, the skirt.
Oh.
Give me all the
Oh,
nylon
we
Farfetch.
just were
Like,
all
we
about
are
that.
obsessed with the Prada.
We're about that Prada mafia life.
Yes.
For sure. But yeah, and I plan on passing this down to Aya when she
Goes
starts
to school?
when she starts kindergarten. She's just gonna be swinging edges in her new Prada backpack. Hopefully,
I
I'll
never
like.
thought of that.
Yeah, it's so cute for a child, right?
So cute.
Yeah. So yeah, this you can definitely find it at Farfetch, as well as her bag. We'll make sure to leave links, and don't forget to use our coupon code.
Yes. Now on to the other part of the video where we share with you a few bags that we are obsessed with. Okay, so for me, I have been looking at this bag for the last, I would say, year and a half. And honestly, I didn't buy it because I just didn't feel like I was ready to spend that kind of money on a bag. Obviously, I'm not no stranger to like expensive things, but I don't know. I'm just like, it's like a step down from like a Birkin. I'm like, if I'm gonna spend that much
Yeah.
money, like I might as well just like, you know,
Is it the
invest.
Chanel?
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
the
for
Chanel
sure.
19, I think for me this year is probably going to be the year I buy it. I think I would want to get it in a neutral color for sure.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I'm loving the white or like the like light tan, like khaki-ish
I
color.
say light tan.
Yeah, because
I'm
I don't
wearing like a nude.
I don't have anything that color, so
I, mean,
I
you have a
think
white Chanel bag.
I do have a white Chanel bag. Yeah, so I think I'm probably gonna go for the nude-ish color.
Yeah, for sure. And then for me, the number one bag on my wish list, I believe for like the past year and a half, 2 years, has been a Bottega Veneta bag.
Yeah.
Especially, I love the dumpling shaped ones,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm really gravitating towards like the cassette one
Yeah, with the chain.
with the
Oh my
big
God, the
gold
chain.
right. That chain is everything, first of all.
Yeah.
I like want to wear it on my neck, I want to
Yeah.
wear it on my waist, everywhere, okay? But yeah, that bag I'm loving.
Yeah.
We stopped by the store in Dubai
Mhm.
and they had so many like different color options
So many.
that I didn't even know.
I never saw those. I never saw that many colors in the U.S. So we
Yeah.
saw a whole bunch of colors that we've never seen before.
Yeah, I originally wanted it in like a nice neutral color that I could just wear with anything, but like a rich brown or like a beige or something like that. But the colors I saw were so beautiful. Now I want like a bright green or like that nice salmon
yeah,
orangey
there was
color.
a salmon color, y'all. We were obsessed. Like we went back 3 times thinking we were gonna get these bags, but then we ended up like making, I think, a smarter decision and bought like really
Jewelry.
good jewelry, which we can't wait to share with you guys.
Yes.
But yeah, so I love that bag for you.
Yeah, I think we should invest in it this year for sure.
I think we should both invest in it.
Yeah, let's do it, sweetie. We're so bad for each other.
Okay, so for me, another bag that I'm dying over this year is the, so obviously you guys know I love the whole Prada re-nylon stuff. And then there's this one specific bag, I will drop in a picture of it, the shape that I have been loving for quite some time now, but when I was in Dubai again, I saw it covered in like sequin. Not sequin, but like, it was like fully studded. I'm just like, I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, but I need this bag because I feel
really
like
pretty.
it'll never go out of style, and it'll probably be a bag that I can wear out to like functions and like parties and like weddings and just like anywhere fabulous. I think it's a really good one, so I'm definitely gonna try to find that one.
Yeah, I think we should find it too.
Yeah, I know exactly where to find it.
Okay, and the next thing on my wish list, honestly, it's been on my wish list for years. I'm not really sure why I don't have this bag.
Me too.
So it's obviously the Dior Lady Bag, and it comes in a variety of colors as well, and like different types of leather, like patent and like
And different fabrics, prints.
Absolutely. So I think I'm definitely just gonna pull the plug on this one. And is it pull the plug? Is that how you say it?
Pull the trigger?
Pull the trigger. Pulling the plug is like when you kill something, right?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
like,
okay.
wait, what?
So I'm definitely gonna pull the trigger this year and get this bag for myself. I'm so bad at like phrases. I always mess it up. Anyways, the Dior Lady Bag has been on my wish list for years, and I'm obsessed with it. I love just how like feminine it is, and it's just totally my style.
Yeah, and I think I
it.
love lately how like there's like these new straps that make it fun too, and like more edgy instead of just like a feminine like cute dainty bag. I love it. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful bag.
We're getting it.
Yeah,
Let's manifest it.
Yeah, we're gonna get it. Okay,
What else is on the wish list?
so I think last but not least, there is, again, it's a Prada bag. It's a Prada bag, and it's literally everywhere. It's the same shape as the sequin one, or the bedazzled one I just talked about. It's the same
like
shape,
a little
but it
strap,
has like it has a longer strap, and it's like this like unusual like Art Deco-ish shape, and I think it's so beautiful, and I specifically want it in a white. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop an image of it, and I just think it's such a beautiful bag.
And I feel like
understated, like cool.
Yeah, and I feel like the length of that strap is more wearable with outerwear.
Yeah.
Because it's like a little bit longer, but you still get that like, you know, that look that you're looking for with a tiny little Prada bag.
The look.
But I think that's it, right?
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
All right, you guys, so that's all for our unboxing, our Farfetch unboxing, and also our wish list for bags this year, 2021. So let's just manifest it and put it out into the universe.
Okay.
And hope that we just end up with all of this beautiful stuff. And again, thank you so much to Farfetch for partnering with us again. We just love working with them. And yeah, again, if you guys want to shop any of the items that we mentioned, definitely.
Some of them are definitely available on Farfetch, so we'll link them down below, and some of them are not, but we'll definitely do our best to link everything down below, and we will definitely also leave our coupon code down below.
Yes,
in
we
case
will not forget.
Yeah, in case you guys want to shop there.
Yeah, again, thank you guys so much for tuning in once again and watching our video.
And if you guys want to see how we end up styling these incredible new purchases, be sure to check us out on Instagram, because that is where we share all of our fashionable photos.
Yeah, make sure you check us out, you guys. We'll definitely link that below as well.
Yes.
So we'll see you guys in our next one.
Bye.
Oh, no.